I could be the one you love. Put it on your muliro. Coolio. Just give me the overdose. I could be the one you love. Put it on your muliro. Coolio. Just give me the overdose.
Ani akawandika?
Nesim. Naye abasajja nabo baberanga batya.
Bakutya?
Bantya. They think I have many men, so they also don't.
Would you date a broke man?
I have in the past. Naye moving forward, I don't think it's a wise choice. Kwa batama.
Abachi?
Abavu.
Abasajja abavu? Batama?
You cannot be there nga olinga mama. Omusajja.
Musajja mwavu atama?
Nga asaba sente, those things, I don't like them.
Vairo tomumanyi?
Yeah, mukwano gange.
Oyo omumanyi?
Yeah, even we are working on something.
Ate Kididi?
Kididi? Simumanyi. Oba you've made up a name.
Esi mukasya kano kankwanjulira mami gadgets abakola emiramu education gadgets zonna mu Uganda balina tablets z'abaana zonna mu bikanga Samsung, Apple, Origimo ate nga balina n'esina keyboard. Balina ebimotoka by'abaana, ebimundu, essaawa, bags z'abaana, bottles container ng'ogasseko ne building blocks. Balina headsets z'abaana, balina smart watch zonna ate nga ziri origino. Balina wireless charger ate nga basisinkanibwa wali ku Pioneer Mall edduka li PA11 ate ng'osobola bakubira ku 0703696904. Gambye ekikwasagana ne education gadgets zonna oyina kwekwata mami gadgets kubanga yasinga.
Kale nyongero baniriza ku mkutu CRUZ exclusive ALLANCRUZ gemanya nyongero baniriza ku yona gye musinzidde okubanga mutulabira. Tuli proudly powered by Modern Tiles. Modern Tiles nagamba gwe omukyala omwami wenna ali eyo nga oba planning okuzimba, planning okukola ennyumba ebeere ku mutindo ogw'ensi yonna, planning okubeera ne flow ng'omuntu bw'ayingira eddiiro lyo agamba wow mashallah, nga bw'ayingira effumbiro lyo agamba class, bw'ayingira ekinaabiro kyo agamba class, bw'ayingira ekisenge class ogyewo otya ng'okozesa Modern Tiles okukola floors ennungi. Baleese tiles ennungi zonna nabagambye maaso awo ngenda mbakyalizaako ku sites zaabwe ez'enjawulo. Mulabe tiles ennaku zino eziriko. Saagala obeereyo ku kyeyo ng'ozimba ennyumba bakufere bapulamba b'e Kampala. Njagala bakukolera ekintu nga kirungi. Abazimbi mwenna njagala mugere ku Modern Tiles branches wonna weeziri Ntebe Road, Gayaza, Mbarara, PG, tuli ejinja. So wona we tuli oyagala Modern Tiles twekwate ekintu kibeere nga kitambulira ddala bulungi nnyo, bulungi ddala. Ndi ne mukwano gwange asinze okubanga ate wiiki eno buli omu amuwa level. But oba oli awo bambi ekintu kye bamuweramu level nja banyumizaako stories ezimu, naye I don't think nti kuba kwekoza as people think, but ensi bwetyo bweri. Ensi bweri. Ne Museveni waliwo atamumanyi ng'oli omugamba our president is Museveni, naga who is Museveni. But that's the world. So ndina Laika music gwe ndi naye wano olunaku olwaleero ate era tugenda kunyumyamuko. By the way Laika nange nja kuwaayo my testimony. Njaje kuwaayo naye sooka obuze ku bantu oluvannyuma nange ngenda kuwa testimony yange.
Okay. What's up guys? Muri mutya? I'm Peter Laika Music. Yeah, I'm on ALLANCRUZ show. Ate nsanyuse kubeera wano by the way.
Amina nkwatako mu bugalo munnange. Laika, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Kanaiko mutandikira okuwalana. By the way, si byakusudia. But you're a beautiful woman.
Thank you.
You're Rwandese?
I'm not. I'm mixed.
Mixed with what and what? Musoga and Rwandese?
No, my mom is Ugandan. My dad is of Rwandese descent. However, it's I'll say like I'm on the third generation of my father's side to be here. So I'll say like even my great grandfather was born here. So
hey,
Yeah, so I can just say I'm of Rwandese descent from my father.
Can you be proud when I say you're Rwandese? You're proud?
Yeah, I'm proud, but and abantu bachisusa also, like always throwing it in my face because like there are many
feeling small.
Yeah, so okay, I'm Rwandese, I'm proud. From my father is Rwandese, my mother is Ugandan, but this is where I was born and raised. This is where my father was born and raised. This is where my grandfather was born and raised. So you cannot now make it so.
By the way, industry knows when you're single kufunamu Laika. Is your confidence?
No, by the way,
industry knows when you're single kufunamu. You're too confident for Ugandans to understand.
Chili confidence or what?
Laika. Oyinza okuba planned kid.
Nada. I wish, by the way, but sicho.
Mulaika mwatu banyo.
Do you know I've been independent since I was in P6.
Independent. Ngotunda nyanya mwowino
ngokola. Of course no, nalinga of course ngenda nali mu boarding school. So I would go there.
No, your school defines.
Okay. No, of course.
Hey.
I didn't go to bad schools, but I was in boarding schools. I was in Nasomela St. Mary's Chitende High School. Yes. Yes, from senior 1 to senior 6. No, what I'm saying is I never stayed with parents.
You were staying with who?
I was always going to school, and even when I got out of school, I stayed alone. Nabera independent for a very long time. So I grew up when I was young. Like I was ahead.
So wakula na mama na tata?
They are there. They are alive, but sakula nabo.
Kati wali ngova kusomera ngo?
Ngangenda at my uncle's place like that. So you can't call me a planned kid. Yeah. But what I can tell you is that I learned things at a very young age. So I set myself up, like I became mature at a very young age. Yeah.
Are you the first born or the second born?
Middle.
Middle yaliwa.
Middle. I'm the third of 5 kids.
You're the third? Oli mwana wa kusatu?
Yeah.
Kati nwagulali abalenzi?
Waliwo abalenzi babiri neba.
Kati okuze wakale ise ono Laika gwe tusuubiramu ente zonna biki tebakkiriza Laika kubeerako na bulenzirenzi bumwetoloolerako? Obadde ne kafyu mungi?
It's not really.
Kubanga Laika era otunula ng'omwana akulidde mu kikomera.
Nedda. But
mizigo?
No, I'm mediocre. Yeah, I didn't suffer so much, but again, I'm not like a planned kid. Yeah. Atena masomero nagenda masomero agali normal, good schools. I didn't go to international schools. No, it is a good school.
Omanyi ffe gye twali. Gwe omanyi ffe gye twali.
Wagenda wa? Wasomera wa?
Leka bulesi. Gwe omanyi essomero lye bayita Mbogwe primary school.
International school.
Liriko bayita Mbogwe primary school. Nga kuliko ne ka C stroke U. Church of Uganda. But it's okay. Guagenda mu masomero galiko Church of Uganda.
Sagenda, but you see, at the end of the day, you see who you are now, you're proud of yourself.
Hey, I'm proud naye kati Laika embeera
That's what matters.
Embeera wetuuse nkubulire oli wa mkikomera ate by the si kibi Laika.
Yes, si kibi, but people think that and they exaggerate it, but it's not true. I was just in a normal home. No more. I never slept hungry, but I was not at a people think I'm from a rich home, but no, it's not.
Are you married?
I was from a normal home. No.
You're not?
I'm not married.
Are you seeing anyone?
No.
How does that come, Laika? Chija chitya? Do men fear you?
They do, actually. Amanya abantu baloza mbumbera so many DMs in my phone oba ku WhatsApp oba bichi. Naye abasajja nabo baberanga batya.
Bakutya?
Bantya, they think I have many men, so they also don't.
They told me you drive expensive cars.
Yeah.
Kakati omusajja. Eye anayekwata. Nakula ne babbitu sinengamba kati nno kaweddemu. Era by I thought you're going to choose one of those boys.
No. No, those are my friends, good friends.
You can't choose on those boys.
No, there's nothing wrong with them, but just we didn't go there. We were just friends. Yeah.
What's your taste?
My taste? I want someone who is just normal. Someone who can see me for me, not see me for Laika music.
Oh, the body.
Yeah, someone who can just sit there and listen to me and try to know me. Someone who can be vulnerable, be themselves. Yeah, because most of the times abantu bajanga balowooza oba bangenda kukola performance oba show oba.
You're kidding me.
Like people, when they see me on TV and then they come and talk to me, they expect like fireworks. You've
beaten
normal.
You've beaten them. They are all down. They see what?
Like they think.
Fireworks?
They just think like over what and Nganina just too much going on. But I'm a very normal person. Yeah. Very down to earth, very humble. Like in news, they don't put it out there.
Would you date a broke man?
I have in the past. Now, yeah, moving forward, I don't think it's a wise choice.
Batama. Abachi.
Abavu.
Abasajja abavu. Batama. Linda Laika. Nyinze nino olugambo. Laika, you ever dated a broke man?
I have.
What did you go
Because they know, even the ones who know, they know.
So what
I've ever dated broke men many times. Because me, I love love. I'm a lover, but...
Holimba Laika.
Yes. Like, you need someone who can help you grow, who can inspire you, who can support you. You cannot be there and ulinga mama. Abasajja.
Abasajja mwavu atama.
Nga saba sente, those things, I don't like them. It's very annoying.
Jason nagamba make money. Ate abasajja abavu bakuba. Has a man ever beaten you?
No.
But can you fight? Can you fight back?
I can't fight physically, though I do boxing. I mean, I don't know. Who knows? And there's a way boxing makes you confident. You can feel like you can fight. I've never fought, especially a man, but...
you do boxing?
Yeah, I do boxing every Friday. But what I can say is that I'm not someone who can easily... You can't just manipulate me. I'm somehow hard-headed.
Hey, now it's ogenda. Tobakuyisa maso.
Yeah.
Ndine Laika music. She's an established artist. Now the problem you're going to get with Laika. Laika looks so confident. By the way, manyi confidence jeva. Confidence abazadde tebakimanyi amasomero makulu nnyo. Amasomero ne families. Kati going.
Yes, Mr. Modern. How is the business?
Booming. Towakan, I can't kunyonyole. Ebisera biri. Ngaba customer babula okundi ebipipipi.
Bitera byamwe bino byasimuse.
Naye lwaki tiles zamwe temuzipima?
Tutera muzikula mubikuta by'amagi.
Naye we nazula Modern Tiles, business etambula.
Onoonya tiles ez'omutindo nga mpangazi ezitasiiwuuka nga ne design yazo ya njawulo nnyo. Funa Modern Tiles.
Modern Tiles.
Okuba family gy'ovaamu nga babagamba nga if something is not good, say it. Kati ngwa industry eno yeeyagala bagambe like I do like ALLANCRUZ, like agambe yeah like abatayagala agamba no.
Ekyo kituufu because my family naturally we are like that. My family like we are even like especially for my dad's side we are just people who are honest and sometimes it ends up badly. But I mean like people who have worked with me, they know I don't know how to lie. Like if I don't like something, for example, in studio, like if I don't like something, sometimes I'm like, and then sometimes I see like, okay, I'm being offensive, but I think I've learned how to tone it down.
No, the producer
like I have that tendency of just being honest. I'm just honest, and that thing is sometimes offensive to people.
Ngofukamira. Tomanyi fukamira?
Yeah.
Like ogenda funa obuze mu industry.
But then fukamira chi?
Olaba wana abantu baagala bafukamira like
Okay, why? Give me one reason.
Kubanga oli abakusinga abakyoyagala ya kirina.
Ani?
Oyo gobo ogenzeeko. People want to know
ogamba fan or ogamba
industry or never presenter, but DJ, Banosimanyo.
No, you can respect someone without kneeling or bend lowing for them. That's what I do. I've never disrespected any person. I meet them, I respect them, especially someone who has been there. You've never had any artist telling you I disrespect them or what. Or people, producers, videographers. I'm very respectful. Actually, I think I'm one of the artists who I respect even Echinto Kusasula. Like, so I can't come and I say, give me something for free. I always respect people's jobs. I always all about business. So what more do you want? What more should I do?
Tebagenda kusobola Laika. Kashoka presenters have not asked.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
Oh.
They do, but
so how do you do that, Banange?
They do.
Now, Laika, now you're too beautiful. Now it's all okay. Someone can just look at you like this. Na tambla na agenda. Nange sinza nenya presenter agamba Laika.
But yeah, I'm used.
Do you find it as an insult? Ochirabanga insult chikunyiza?
No. Omanyinze, I've always been beautiful, even before I was singing. That's the truth. Nalinga ndi mulungi from way back. So it's not news.
Wait.
See,
now you know.
Yes, I know I'm beautiful. From way back. So
byetagala mu industry no.
Kate you want me to
fetu you know kugamba.
Nange nina mirror ewaka. Teneraba. Nchimanye ndi mulungi.
Ogenda basobola.
Hey.
So fetu you know kugamba. Gosoga nawo ina mirror ewaka.
Nange mchimanyi. So what I was trying to say is from before even I was a musician. Nalinga nina abantu banje atenga banjagala. I always had men who wanted to be with me because I'm beautiful, and
you left
there is more to me besides beauty. So, yeah, I know I'm attractive, but yeah.
Laika, I always host you. Kubanga, I love your boldness. Umanyi Laika kitandikirako gwe starts with you. Omuntu obate wekkiriza mwana nakukiririzaamu.
You can't. You have to always believe in yourself.
Laika is too arrogant. Laika is this.
I'm not arrogant at all.
Kati nzo ndaba nze. Nze nasooka nendaba oluyimba lwa Overdose. Nesimu yalukola? Overdose.
Yes.
Kati nze kankubuulire. Nalaba oluyimba lwa Overdose. Bane ng'oluyimba ndwagala. Ng'oluyimba lwemba nyambala ku makya.
Yeah.
Ndoteeka mu ofa yange ne lukuba. So one day I called Nesimu.
Yeah.
Mga gwe. Kye kiriwo. Mga yesterday he's my good friend. Nemugamba Nesimu. Waliwo omuwala yakuya oluyimba bayita Overdose. Naye omuwala mwagala. Njagala just ayimba bulungi ate mulungi. Njagala mukyazaako Nesimu nangamba kankuwe namba. Laika wakimalako.
What chi?
Era nze gift namugambye.
What?
They never told you.
But what?
Alpha Times never told you.
No? This is news. What happened?
Whoa, wait.
What happened?
This is how I took it. Now I get my phone. I call Laika. Hi Laika. Hi. I tell you, you're not sweet. When you don't know someone on phone, you don't.
It's a new number. I be trying to hear who is this one.
Yes, I called. I said, hi Laika. Hi. Muna, this is ALLANCRUZ. Who is ALLANCRUZ?
No, I didn't say that.
Ask her. Ask Nesimu. Nengamba. Muna Nesimu as nsabye Nesimu in number. I love your music. Ja kucha. Then he said, okay, I'll get back to you. Let me try to ask people. No. Kati.
I probably nedda.
Nanyiga. Mwenye nesha nyiza. Nange byanyiza biswanka. Naye linda ko ngenda kubulira. But bwe nanyiga kati wano Alpha Times ankubira. Bami njagala mukoleko ne Laika. She's a good soul bichi. Alpha mugamba togeza. Sijja jimuwa. Ko Alpha yakola ki? Ne mugamba anno munanga kantu katono nnyo akanuma. Hey, kati ennaku ziyitawo. Gift Chloe, she's my good friend. Very good friend of mine. So Chloe calls me the first time. I'm like, Chloe, no. So Chloe ankubira ogwokubiri. Angamba Alan. Mugamba Chloe, no. Chloe calls me the third time. Now Alan, do you like me? Yeah. Okay, if you like me. Am I your friend? Yes. Okay, do it for me. I want to host Laika. Nemga tell Laika to come on Friday. Njamwegambira. Kati before actually when Chloe called me the last call. Now natudde wansi before replying to her. Nengamba naye olaba Laika ono. Nyinza okuba munyigira naye onyigira wa bwerere. Kubanga olaba Laika, olaba enseno. Enseno nene. Waliyo TikTok nga aina milioni nga 7 ezaba followers nga munna Uganda. Wallahi nga tederi amumanyi wane Kampala naye nga abeera wano. Ene ngamba olaba. Oyinza onyigira Laika mu kiseera ekyo. Nga ne Laika mu kiseera ekyo yali yakayingira music kuba overdose waliyo kyalina muwala muto nnyo. Ebintu oyiga biyige. Oyinza n'okuba wali weekolera mu banka. Nze wandabikira ng'omwana yali akola mu banka.
Nedda.
Oba yali akola mu NSSF.
Nedda. Okay, yeah, maybe it's a good thing. Now, let me tell you.
Laika tomanyi bantu bangi mu music mu industry.
Yeah, it's possible. Era olaba nalinga that time nga nakafuna manager. And then at those days anyone who would talk to me or would ask me, I would ask my manager. Then I'm like, so maybe someone called me this. I would ask to find that once even to be a music promotion. Nalinga sibimanyi my job, not even my job. Nalinga call that time.
Soko Western. Byonna bigatte Luganda Luzungu.
Okay. I'm saying I was like I used to listen to music. Music, I enjoy music. I go home, I watch movies, do it like that. Nganyimba. Actually, I also liked listening to my inspiration was like American music, about Whitney Houston. Those are people who would make me love to sing. But I would also listen to Ugandan music, what like that. So na ingira mu music industry, but I didn't know about the business, like people who are in the promotion side, the media. Nalinga simanyi abantu aba media.
Tugende katono Laika.
So
interview negena nyimira abantu ku TikTok bananga.
And I don't think it's a crime.
It's not. Laika wali okola mulimu ki natona jam music?
I used to host bars.
Bars?
Yes, nalinga nkola hosting.
No kale bya bars bya kiro emisana ngokola ki?
I didn't have. I last worked, but that was in 2019 before COVID.
Ngokola ki?
I was in accounting.
I knew.
But that, yeah.
I knew.
That's what I studied.
Laika, I just saw you in overdose. Nengambo no mwana taya kuba yali ma office mba corporate.
I studied that. I graduated. I studied.
Era banange mulekerawo nenya Laika. I don't want people to blame Laika. On this show CRUZ exclusive kwenjagala banaye mumanye. Bananga abantu baze mu music nga tebatumanyi nga tebabamanyi. Me,
I loved singing. That's
Nete wajja kumanya abantu.
Nalinga simanyi oba eno media oba who ate what. So for me, I learned. Right now, I'm bimanyi, like I know people in the industry because I've been now and like meeting them and getting to know them. Ne amazimagari, like I never knew people. Yeah, because my job was, it's like getting someone out there who is not a musician. For them, they listen to music, they listen to Ugandan musicians, but they don't know who is over promoting this artist or who is promoting that artist. I never used to watch TV, over local TVs.
Holimba.
No, I would watch even now. Okay, now I watch,
a little.
Now I watch because like I have my people like who I want to watch their shows. But when you said, I would just watch like YouTube or Netflix. YouTube, like I watch songs about people's channels, about
podcasts.
And then after that, I watch like a movie on Netflix. But I don't watch like TV, like local TV.
Hey.
So for me, it is really. But that time when you reached out to me, yeah, it's possible. I remember. But you see, I had just got my first, I can't call it breakthrough maybe, and there was a lot going on. People were looking for me, and I don't think I was rude to you. Was I rude to you?
Tewali rude. Yeah. Ata tobera rude. Omanyi nga bakubuza ebibuzo wano.
I don't think I was rude.
Omanyi Laika.
Yeah.
Kankubulire. You're not a rude person.
Yeah.
But people babadde tebamanyi. You get my point? Abana Uganda bo bamanyi nti buli muntu ajja mu kuyimba yasookereyo nahasolinga nakola bwati abana abasajja ne bamwebakako bali ne bagira we bati andi bagira we bati ba DJ naye abantu bamanyi nti eriyo omuntu ava mu busawo medicine najje
era Jessica was a software engineer oba software engineering
kati olaba go wali eyo nga we balira bitabo byo ne obansolo yingira ebidongo bino kati omuntu bw'omala okimuganaga wamma yali mu corporate class eyo nga bakola byabwe naga bambi fenga twakunenya fe twakubye emisumaali wiiki ewedde
which is okay
wanje
nakinkolera
obuzibu toli mwavu endongosi byotunuulidde
no not at all I've struggled naye nze let me tell you something Alan abayimbi bakozesa ekintu ekya sympathy card and it works for them, but I'm not that person who's going to come here and cry about the things I've gone through. But what I'll do is make sure in my heart that I'll never go back there. I'll never look like my struggles, but that doesn't mean I've not struggled. So, yeah. But if you call me here, I will come and I respect your show. I will look nice. I'll make sure I come here and look nice for your show. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But for me, it's respecting you. It is creating a brand, setting a brand, making sure you look like the star. I don't suffer. Then I don't know. I can't help it. But the truth is, I've struggled, and I still struggle. But I cannot sit there and cry about it to the public. It doesn't help. Yeah.
Kubanga kati nze
like hosting mabala. No one that time called me a rich kid.
Mabala achi.
I used to host. I used to be a bar host. Do you know how much they pay bar hosting? They pay you 500K. No one made fun of me that time.
500K a night?
Yeah, that's what they host that's what they pay bar hosts. No,
nights.
Abakola hosting, like you go and you look nice and they pay you per night for bringing clients and all that. But of course now like people have elevated it. Abantu abali bigger hosts. If you have a bigger brand, like I'll say Sheila Gashomba, she's also a host, but she's not like. But at that time during like COVID, abantu ngabali bakola ngatukola hosting in bars. Ate nganyimba, but my songs were not moving and all that. I would host. How comes then no one said I'm suffering?
You used to be a bar host.
Yes. I used to do hosting.
I never knew.
I used to, but you said
But
Olaba I can't come here and cry. But guys, I hosted. Oh my God, please feel sorry for me. No, it doesn't help anything. But I'll make sure that whatever I'm working towards, I never go back in that life. That's it.
Wafunamu.
Of course, I got to know like DJs, what like that. I got some connections. Yeah. I used to atmosphere. I used to host like in different bars.
Hey.
Yeah, people know me. Yeah, people knew me that time. Yeah.
Onoonye ekifo eky'omulembe w'oyinza okuwummulirako ate nga kisangibwa ku lubalama lw'ennyanja. Winslow Luxury Suites. Kino kye kifo ekikkakkamu eri gwe anoonya w'oyinza okubeerako okumala ennaku entonotono oba ekiseera ekigere ng'olinga ali ewuwo. Kino kye kifo kyokka. Tulina amayumba agalina accommodation ey'omulembe nga mulimu ebisenge ebiwerera ddala 2, sitting room, modern kitchen, dining, closet engazi obulungi, ssaako toilet n'ebinaabiro. Ebisenge byaffe birabika bulungi nnyo omuli ebitanda ebya queen ne king size. Ekiseera kyonna ky'omala ng'oli naffe tufuba okulaba nga tofuna kutaataganyizibwa kwonna anti tulina standby generator wifi ne dstv saako ne laundry services tulina n'emmotoka ez'omulembe okwanguyizako mu by'entambula era nga tusobola okupikinga okuva wonna wooli ne ku kisaawe erimu abava ebweru wa uganda. Winslow Luxury Suite tusangibwa mu Jomai Estate Garuga Entebbe n'olwekyo gwe yandyagadde okumanya ebisingawo n'okubukinga osobola tukubira ku noti 752 emu noti 8 nyemwemu oba osindika obubaka obwa whatsapp ku plus emu 9 noti 83 2 noti 3 mukaaga noti 2.
Just bino ebya radio TV bino simanyi ba blogger bye bikusumbuwa.
Ante TV sumbuwa by the way.
Who was your first promoter?
Like
yaso okuyibira ku ndongo gitwala twala mbanda.
I'll say Ray Pan. Yeah.
He was your manager too?
Yeah.
Kati oyiye mwatuka ku biki?
He promoted me.
Temwina kye mwatuka ku branding ku brand ya Laika. Choga nti oyantusa wano.
No, he promoted me. He did a big job promoting me. Now before that, of course, I would just meet people randomly. I would there's a time I was working with Richer Hand and I would do school shows like that. All that is part of my journey. I don't know what ALLANCRUZ. I don't know, people just be there and they want you to see your anger, you're suffering. But
wait, kati baba agala otulao. Mbo onakuwa leo obanyumize ebyennaku abananga
chikola. I see artists using it for sympathy, but it doesn't really, for me, it doesn't mean anything. Me, my job is to sing for you guys.
What is your botanical name?
Botanical how?
Erinnya lye Oluganda oba eri Olunyankole oba eri
Omuhoza.
You're right. Tojja kaaba.
Rachi.
You won't cry.
Right.
Baleke beba manye ebizibu bya. Nze wamaze nze kati ate ntandise okwagalirayo kyoli. Kyoli. Tewali agenda ko. What is your collaboration n'omuntu?
Yes.
Nagikumba.
Najima. Yeah.
Which reason ya wansonga ki?
I didn't understand it. Yeah.
How many collaborations do you have?
I have 3 so far, which are out. Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
And nani?
Ninayo Nemudra, ne Fikfa Maker, and Vinka.
And Vinka.
Yes.
So kati sente ozijja zoteka music. Tokyaba hostinga, oyimba, sente kati ozijjawa Laika.
I get it somewhere, which I don't need to explain.
You have a supportive boyfriend?
No. I started up a small source of income, something small, which I still growing.
Bangamba otunda wig.
No. You know why they told you that? Kuba booking manager. A number. Yeah, akola ebyo subula like wigs and all that. So I think when they see that number and they communicate with him, they see the things posting.
Totunda wig.
They say tunda wig, but that my friend, he does that.
Your manager?
My manager.
Yeah, tunda wig. Kati gwa ochokola kye tulina okusupporting yamu kitubuze. Twanjagadde okusupport.
Yeah, but it doesn't need now. If I was selling wigs, I would have said it. But chetetaga like support from the people. But it's something that is ongoing.
Mukwano go yani mbayimbi.
Ani?
Wano mu industry wano ani mukwano go.
Mbayina naye
kale gwogamba nti oyo mu week mukubira emirundi 3 oba 4. Tomulina.
Because I don't think ogamba abayimbi like artists. I have friends, but it's something urgent. I think abayimba babera busy. Fena tubera busy. I don't have someone who I sit there and like, you know. But whenever we meet, I have those people. Whenever we meet, we talk. It's always a vibe. I consider them friends, but I can't say that they are those friends where I will just be there. I call them in the middle of the night. It's not like that, yeah.
Kati jane yo eyokumanya abantu mu industry yo gitambuddeko otya. Banga Laika abanange botamanyi banje ate ng'enseso biroteka kubanga obamanyi. Omanyi Laika, I'm not saying it's chokola.
Yeah.
But omanyi omuntu asobola tukesa n'akubuuza. Kati fe tulina muno mu industry ba legend. Okitegeera. Ng'oli ajja kugamba olaba Laika tamanyi. Onya kuza tuyinza okuza kanjogereko n'omukwano we pata jjanyiga. Flavia Namulindwa. Hey, Laika omumanyi? Omumanyi?
You asking me if I know her? Yeah, I know her.
Kati olinaga Laika naga simumanyi. Olinaga Laika atukoze eki kino. Obeera otya nga tumanyi Flavia?
Yeah, I understand it might come off like offensive. Naye nze sichikola nga I'm being like intentional. Yeah, sometimes I really don't be knowing people.
Katoza ogenda kulwana otya? Bo ino bamanya.
So beba nteka mu sente oba ki? My job is to sing and to create a fan base and give you a good job. And kugamba nti obamba I'm not disrespecting them or what. But I think I'm doing my job. But I don't know what I'm really supposed to do. Of course, through my team and my management, they can tell me those things and educate me, and I'm always willing to learn and improve myself. But I'm not going to sit here and say because I don't know people. You understand what I mean?
So long as you have a good talent.
I have a talent, and I'm cooperative. I'm willing to do what I have to do and still spread my talent to the people and create a fan base. I've never sat there and said, well, I don't want to know that person. I am willing to know who they tell me.
Kati okimanyi abantu bagenda kubawo nga bagamba Laika wabata kumanyi kola nnyo. Nga Laika ke katiba kaffe.
I'm not the person to determine someone's
kigenda fuka katiba ugenda fuka katiba ka abantu. Nga bwokyazo omunonga why Laika omumanyi
I'm still nowhere. I'm still trying to make it. I'm not anywhere. So I shouldn't be the one.
Naye Laika. Zenkwagala.
Nange.
Naye mama. Abantu abo. Nereka soko nyimbire makayimba ko overdose. Banaye nkagala.
I go be the one you love. Mpulira nnyo omuliro. Nkuliyo. Just give me the overdose. I go be the one you love. Mpulira nnyo omuliro. Nkuliyo. Just give me the overdose.
Ani akawandika?
Nesim
wrote that song?
Yeah.
That idiot never told me.
Yeah.
Nesim awandika bulungi.
Yeah.
So you went to Nesim gwe menyi no musawo ba wali oyina kyogenza okola nakakuwa?
No, of course nagenda kukola, like I wanted a song nenga jagala hit. So I reached to him and I told him what do I need to do for it to give me a hit. Then he was like, let me hear your music. He heard my music. Then like, don't worry. So yeah.
Are you famous?
I don't know.
Now it's Omani.
But I'm not. I'm not. I still have more work to do. I want to make sure even when I go in the village, people know me like deep down. Village deep down. Ngabamani. And even after that, I want to be big even out of Uganda.
Mpaya abawala basatu bana abali age bracket yo bayinza okuba mu experience nga bakusingako naye ng'ogamba you love their brands.
They okay.
Mu industry one.
Oh. Abachala? Okay.
Abawala bana.
Let me see.
Bali wala. Obalowoozezaako nnyo Laika.
Branding over talent.
Branding. Talent bajja kukubirayo eyo bakutte busi.
Branding, Vinka. I love Vinka. That's why even I worked with
Vinka.
her. Then I like Winnie Nwaji. Yeah, very talented. Upper Peace. She's very hardworking. Yeah. And she's very well presented. Omulala, Lydia Jasmine. Yeah.
Bebo toyongerako babo. Manya abaana abo betumiikiriza. Lwaki ayogedde ku gundi. Bebo.
I might be I've forgotten some, but so far that's what I'm thinking.
Wanji?
I might be waliwo abo benera.
Anti bo balowooza abaabwe b'olina okwogera. Omanyi wano bwekityo bwe kiri.
How?
Nange mwenyini bagenda kuŋŋamba. Kuliza abadde amanyi. CRUZ abadde amanyi tebamwogedde katusirikiraawo
ate ani
baleka abo
ani
oli muveeko wamma ama oli baleka abo wamma kyekyo omanyi your opinion what matters
ne Spice Diana by
buli wamu ngezezaawo isaawo Spice buli wamu wembeera
but no she's probably one of the best branded people
kale tukyagenderera mu maaso tuli ne Laika omuwala asinga okubeera confident mu industry mukadde kano nga ye nga bw'alabye ebintu bwakyogera muba mwakula ewammwe nga babagamba abakulu tesimanyi mukulu tasobya bla 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 ewa Laika ye kyayagala kyayogera oba bakusasulira rent tebakusasulira rent
okimanyize ninamu just emputu katini
oyinamu ki
like I'm somehow
stubborn
you know, imagine if someone's there paying my rent and then they miss paying it one day. I can't even fight. That's why I'm always trying to hustle and I make sure I'm okay. So, but I know the public has another image of me. They were... yeah, every day they say new things about me, things that I don't know, but it's okay.
Yeah, it is very okay. Abayimba band music ngayo tumuyita ba legends mu Uganda wano
abayimba band I only know Afrigo band.
You only know Afrigo band? Anange Afrigo yoka jomanyi
wabambye legends. Yes yoka
wawira ka ekibina kibayita Eagles production.
Oh yes, I know Eagles.
Empire abayimbi abali mu Eagles.
Now you want to make me now look bad.
Ananda kali just mention a few na kuyamba.
But I don't know. But I know their stuff. I've seen Eagles production. But I know there's that man.
Ani.
Mumanyi, I know the face, but I don't know the name.
Munyonyole.
Bamita. Oh, what? Did he die?
Ani.
Oh, is he alive?
Ani, munyonyole.
Oli musajja abera ku on the posters, the top posters.
Ani, munyonyola.
Just give me the name and I remember. It's like the main character.
Ani. Misachi Semakula.
Si Misachi. Oli omusajja omulala.
Geoffrey Lutaya.
Not Geoffrey Lutaya.
Ronald Mayinja.
Mo Eagles.
Ate abona nabe nkoba Eagles. Sekamate olabate wamanya biswanka Sekamate onamumanya.
Yeah, I think is the one. I know his face but I don't know.
Ani Aruna Mubiru.
Anyway, let's go next question. Tujibeko.
Tetuyinza vaawo tutyo. Kale mu bunyima kibo wakulowuliriza obwabo.
Now, you want to make me now a villain?
Kale pa yakayimba ka band kale gwa akakunyumira akedda.
Alimuja Abasajja singer.
Afrigo band. Laika, you are always going to tell me what's Laika. Yeah. You love that one?
Yes. Because we would be in governor and we would dance it.
Where I'm governor. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, anange. Nyimba z'aba legend zigenda kusumbuwa. Katulina nyimba guzwa abamuzeewo bakuba ngojeko olwo.
Yeah, nayenze I don't know. I was just when I was growing up, I think I would keep to myself. I would read novels. I keep to myself a lot, reserved.
Mpayo novel nyaze wakasoma.
Nga nyingi.
Just titles.
Harry Potter.
Nawe.
Like I don't remember that stuff. But I used to be like that. I was not like someone who is there so active, which is trying to know what everyone else loves. I had my own lane.
Never know Laika. Kati Laika chicho walaba kale mu industry no.
No, just not njagala kuyiga.
Wala kumbaga ya kamilioni.
Yes.
Wajiraba?
Yes, I ajane helicopter.
You saw it?
Yes. Even near Baby.
Wajiraba? Wala kwanjula kwa papa Mr. Semakula?
Yes.
Okwanjula kwa
nakulaba.
Laika ogenda.
Even I know old artists.
Like
Waberawo Clever J.
Hey!
Sweet Kid.
Okay. There you're coming. Yes.
Of course. Okay, my course is not so old, but yeah.
My
course aja kusomero na performing.
Nga mukyali bato.
And then Bella.
Hey.
Yeah.
You know those people.
Yeah.
Wama, that's the kind of music gy'okula ng'owuliriza. Hey, bano bakuzza mu byabwe.
Kit Kaye. Kit Kaye.
Hey! Kit Kaye yayimba luyimba ki?
Oba bichi, some song, I remember it. I remember it. Even I remember he came to our school and he sang to me in my face, like.
Kit Kaye.
He started singing, and then I went back after the show. Like people were like, "Yeah, Bananga, they sang for you."
Kit Kaye came to your school.
Yeah, I came to our school and performed.
Zenji maze emikwano. That's wrong. In your face.
Like you say, artists be performing and they come and they perform for one girl like that. And then
you were so beautiful at school,
yeah,
eh?
Yeah.
You were the only chick at the campus.
Yeah.
Laika! It's like a real name.
Yes.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulu mu kulabirira n'okuyoyoota ensusu. Tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka face ne kawawera nga aka baby. Tusiba n'okola enviiri mu buli musono, songa mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwekansa. Tusala enviiri mu buli musono. Ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiyo mulala. Tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okulira na Italian supermarket mu basement. Essimu tuli ku noti 72 682 953. Teweerabira saluni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty.
Eba nango omuwala omulungi muzibu wa kusalira musango. Kale gwe bakusonyiwa mangu. Naye obakola misango nga weefaananira nga bw'oyagala. Bakuvuddeko dda. Ne kale akantu wayogedde akantu katono bwe kati. Ne kaluma abantu.
Guys, just enjoy life. Temubera serious nnyo. Mubeera mubanyiivu. You get cancer. Bana mulekerawo. Enjoy life. Enjoy the country. Enjoy the good weather. Omanya abantu babeera mu snow. Babeera mu snow. One January to December. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the fruits. Mubeere basanyufu.
Laika. Amazima ge nyini. Laika walimbye.
Mbuchi.
Laika tasobola beera nga tomanyi biswanka.
By the way, let's just leave that topic and talk about other things because it's just...
Is it because of your friend?
It's not worth it. Yeah, he's my friend.
Ng'okkiriza n'omwenya n'okumwenya.
Because he's like a father figure to me. Okay, uncle figure.
Father figure.
Uncle figure. He always advises
Kati ogende
me.
wakenzo ga uncle Eddie.
Sigende whenever we meet, he gives me advice.
Like advice je yakuwadde.
Just in terms of music, in terms of how he has survived. He will tell me stories about how he has struggled. Yeah. So I think I have so much respect for him.
What else sinkanyeko ku bebe cool?
A long time ago, by the way. I don't think I once jukira obachi. It was like I had not even started singing.
Ate Chameleon.
Yes, I met Chameleon.
Is your friend?
He's not my friend, but yeah, I've met him.
Ate Bobby Wine.
Bobby Wine, no, I've not met him.
You've not?
Yeah.
Ate Juliana.
Juliana, no, I've not. Just Nagendam concert here, but I never met her.
Irene.
Irene Namwiru. Yes, I met her.
I met her.
Long time ago before I was singing, but yeah, I was there. I was singing there's a band which used to perform that time, and I sang. I remember she even told me you have a very good voice, but I don't think she remembers me. Yeah.
Only nyimbe mekali Laika.
Anga nyingi.
Hey.
I can't count.
Laika weze nyimba 30.
Out.
Hey.
Probably not.
How many?
I have my EP which is 6 songs. Then before that I had like maybe 15 songs.
What's your luyimba chiro single gamanti? Ze munyimba zange luyimbo really famous.
Nzuno. Ne overdose.
Overdose ndumanyi nnyo. Nzuno lugenda lutya?
Amaso gono lya.
Lero no. Lero ndumanyi nalwo. Kati olinawo 2.
As it my top hits, yeah.
Your top 2. Wow. See, no. You're trying like.
Ne Kalodo, by the way. It is big.
Kalodo, mpaka bia.
Kalodo, skari guru.
Wama skari guru. Ani akawanika Kalodo.
Mudra.
Rero wemba ne Mudra. Arafiki ulibali tabacha?
Ontabula.
Ne Laika bambi. Music otaddemu nnyo. Otaddemu nnyo. Do you pay those artists? Okola nabo collaborations?
No.
Ojja kweganya wano.
I don't pay them. They cannot come here and they even speak. I don't pay them. You just release. And by the way, me can't see the can. Because it takes, if you can see big artists working with me, it's because they believe in me. So when gwe fani or whoever, you come there and say mbusimanyi kuyimba, you really don't, your opinion doesn't matter. Those artists, they're not small artists who I've worked with. For them to accept to work with me is because they believe in me. So yes, I don't pay them.
Boba ina opinion je bagala okuwa.
Mbusimanyi chi, I don't force by them. They see forcing ekintu. So people who have worked with me is because they believe in me, and I'm not being arrogant or proud or what. Because I'm not. People who know me, they know I'm not arrogant. But again, you cannot come here and convince me what you think. I know who I am.
What's the producer?
I've worked with many producers. Banga Boy, Nesim. What's that guy? Wanange. Wanatemukuba amasaso. I
know.
Don producer.
Don
works with Atin. Yes. Then Atin, Andre
akola naye project.
Actually, one of my first projects, nakola naye oluyimba. Baluita single. And then Lumba, also Lumba did very well last
Lumba
year.
Yali mulungi. Lumba zake sibero.
Yes.
Nzimanyi nyimba nzimanyi. Era nzimanyi abantu bagamba mbu ezize ziriwa ezize nemba gamba myayino kale mmanyi ka overdose. Kanyuma. Ate like oyimba bulungi.
Thank you.
Oyimba bulungi. Lwaki just obuzibu bwogena ofuna mu industry nzembu kugambye.
Okay, give me the solution. Give me the solution.
The solution era gyoli mukola. Besigala ngoyogeranga boyogera. Benyini bajja kwagala lwa.
Obanga mwagala bafukamire, I will do it.
Onasobola.
I can do it.
Kale fukamire basabe bagambe banaye munyambe mulize music wange mu mwagale amanya bampita Laika music mu following ko mugende ku Spotify.
I'll do it next year. Mumpe airtime.
Wana Laika. Twafunye gwe. We are done.
But you know, it is, I don't know, but I'm a good person. I think they say, you know, I'm so unproblematic. They say, I do my own thing. Every day they come and provoke me. Like this Serena was by the way.
Like what time so funa bookings?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, funa bookings.
Oyimbi yoko webweru wa Kampala.
Mbarara.
Mbarara. Oyimbi yake Mbarara? Mu town?
Yes.
Okay. We walala.
Ne Jinja.
Ezo districts waka kwa bidi Laika.
That's it.
Wewo. Talimba. Gwado manyira gena kugamba capture biki guru biki.
Sinaba.
Ne bookings so.
But I get them. I get like a Rua what. I get them. Then to negotiating up, but sometimes they want to give me less money and I don't go.
Eka Laika singoba wako nkubira Arua oyinza kunja kusenga.
Ewa?
Arua. Oyinza kunja kusenga muka.
Like 8.
8 am. Ogenda mala ku stage budde.
Midnight.
Kuva sawa makeup kasandika.
I give you like a show of like 40 minutes.
Milioni 8. Like oba tonsedde milioni 8.
But Arua is very far. Mutafika mu fuel, ateka mu sente, engoye, makeup, and also wood and safety. You don't know if you're gonna reach there safe. So yeah.
Anaye nkuba ngeta buse ngate interview yange ne Laika yakatandika okuluma. Oba nayo tofaayo.
Specify, by the way. But I'm very normal. I'm very easy, down to earth. I want to just take a maybe in their heads.
Bine ba blogger bebogera ne bakuvuma ofayo.
Guys, just actually if you be my friend you live and just have fun.
Ne Laika waliwo olusu lw'oyambala n'osussa.
Ateddi, I'm very decent. Ateddi.
Laika waliwo nakusanga ku Serena twalina Victor yo.
Nga nyambadde ki?
Bane ng'oyambadde dress.
Nga nyimpi?
Teyali nyimpi. Just ekisambi nga kirabika. Olusi kale iba nnyo tight.
I don't remember, by the way.
Wanji?
I don't remember that time, but what I can say is I think I've been decent.
Kale naye.
Ngezaako, I think. Kubanga nange I don't like exposing my skin so much.
Onayo mwana?
No, Selina.
Toyina mwana Laika? Ekitegeeza Laika yo olinganga mu 28, 27. Ni Laika okubeera 25 genda eri naawe. Kati emyaka misaddaaka. Oma Laika giringemu?
I'm late 20s.
You're
late 20s? 20 something.
Kitegeeza kati oli myaka gya tufunirayo omusajja Laika.
I need a man to marry me.
Naye nga si mwavu. Mukitegedde ekyo kale interview eno muŋŋambe Laika mukomyewo ndowooza wiiki ejja wano enkuba ennemesezza. Laika tulina oluyimba olupya balutaani
Believer. Ate lutambula on TikTok. Me, I wrote it.
You wrote it by yourself?
Yeah.
Lwonna? Laika
ekituufu
lugenda lutya?
Eya ez'essimu z'enkuba eyo yatonyesa laavu ng'enkuba.
Gwe waluwandiise Luganda? Ani yakuyingiza owandiika Oluganda?
I've been learning slowly by slowly. Tolaba, I'm learning.
Ani yaluproducing?
Nesimu.
Kale sibula abantu tuve wano enkuba ennemesezza.
Thank you guys. Watch out my new song Believer. Nebu challenge mu bukole. And make sure you follow me everywhere at Laika Music. Ate support me. Bambi siri muntu mubi. Ate mbagala nnyo. My fans have a very big fan base. Ate banwanira entalo.
Kale saagala kusukako wano olunaku olwaleero. Nja kwogerako ne manager Roger.
Kale.
Omanyi manager Roger?
Omanyi.
Njagala kwogerako naye njagala becoming a close ne manager Roger.
It's okay.
Njagala mubeere ba mukwano bwe muti.
Okay.
Kubanga
okay.
Nze ndabira ddala ekintu gye kivuga kigenda. CRUZ exclusive gwe mukutu saagala kusukako wano olunaku olwaleero for now. Muse bulungi enkuba ennemesezza. Laika nja mubongera mu maaso eyo. Lindako Laika. Omanyi okuwaata? Emmere?
Mbimanyi.
N'okunyiga?
Kunyiga, not so much. Yeah.
Okozesa foil paper?
No, I use the leaves, banana leaves.
Mmere ki gy'osinga okumanya ofumba?
Pilau.
Ate bino okunyiga mmere n'osako oluwombo biki?
Ngezaako. I know how to use the steam down. Or take like you get matoke, you cover with the peels, and then you put under water, like the other saucepan down with water which has steam. Then you take a kusigiri. So nebi vera. Yeah. And then after that you pound. You're serving.
Segeza Laika osobola omusajja Omuganda.
Musobola.
Omusobola omusajja Omuganda?
Yeah.
Laika osobola omusajja Omuganda.
Ate they are romantic, by the way.
Baganda
okusinga abe bafe.
Ndakufuna omusajja Omuganda. Kintu kitambule bulungi.
Naye
alina kubanga alinamu essente.
Yeah.
Omwavu asooka atuleke.
Yeah.
Kuba emmotoka gy'ovuga. Naye tetwogera n'ebintu n'ebikuleetera obuzibu eyo boyfriend wo.
Nedda.
Omusajja ayinza okugamba ate wamwegaanye. Ate nga gyali.
Tewali musajja.
Tewali? Naye era tewali. Takwanjulangako takyalangako. Ate abawa.
That day I get engaged or married, you guys will know. Nayenga boba.
Nenga
Zeba boyfriend sibas, I don't consider that real.
Nenga gwe love ogina Laika.
Love njina ate nyingi.
Like oyino
Ate bankabira love.
Like oyino mukwano.
Munji. People who know they know.
Eh?
When I move on, you think I'm another person.
Anange. Kale.
Like
yoyo number obaba kwagala for booking wama osola itawa.
I need to read it.
Yes. Hey.
When I'm booking, guys, I show up and I give you a good show.
Nakulaba kongo performing.
Bulungi, right?
Performing blanti bochusa 360. Laika. Bochusa 360.
Yes, banonya ekintu like to hate me, but there's nothing to hate on me.
Omanyi Laika, you're tall. Figure oyina. Kafeso olina
nedobozi
kati bibaluma.
Guys, my number is 075 950 502. Yeah, book me anywhere, even the village.
Pose wakola course ki?
Nakola accounting.
Makerere University. Oli mugezi.
Yeah.
Anna.
Nalinga manyi mathematics. Ate ndi mugezi. Tawo bebibanyiza.
Hey. Wakola combination chiko HSC.
PEM. I swear to God, my school is St. Mary's Chitende. Naiga ne Dax my hobby.
Dax vibes?
Yeah. Ne Biniganta. They know. Again, I was in the same school with them. Ask them.
Wakola PEM?
Nakola sciences. Now they will say then they will lie. They will.
Hey, wama organize mu comment section nagambo yakola sciences na yafuna points wa mukago wa munana.
What? No.
Hey.
No.
How many were there?
I got 21.
Hey.
Yes. That time it was out of 25.
Yes.
Yes.
Like 21 uzawera gwe. Like 21 uzawera.
The good thing, public records are there.
Wali mugezi.
Nali mugezi.
Those
days nalinga I was like a geek. Like nalinga sikola makeup, nalinga a geek, like ngatewefa ako.
Walinga tomboy?
Tomboy, yeah.
You were tomboy?
Yeah, I was a tomboy.
Like a point sabiri mwe muzawe.
Then I didn't mathematics. I was good at mathematics, what?
Physics. Ba obi banatubulira.
Dax obi wange. Ask him.
Mwasoma mkasi yemu.
He was a year below me.
Kale. Webale munnange kujja naye mama.
Yeah.
Era nawe ngabo otulesera na fuka kozechi.
Guys, just be my friend. When you can't beat them, you become their friend.
Vairo to mmanyi.
Yeah. Mkwano gange.
Oyo mmanyi.
Yeah, even we are working on something.
Ate kididi.
Kididi? Simamanyi. And over you've made up a name.
Sibe bulungi mweraba.
Esi mukasya kano kankwanjulye mamiga gyesi abakola emiramu education gagesi zonna mu Uganda balina tablets z'abaana zonna mu bikanga syamusanga apo oligimo ate nga balina n'esina keyboard balina ebimotoka by'abaana ebimundu essaawa bagisi z'abaana bottles container ng'ogasseko ne building blocks balina headsets z'abaana balina smart watch zonna ate nga ziri oligino balina wireless charger ate nga basisinkanibwa wali ku Pioneer Mall edduka li PA11 ate ng'osobola bakubira ku 0703 nkaaga 09 gambye ekikwasagana education gadgets zonna oyina kwekwata mami gadgets kubanga yasinga.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulumu kulabirira n'okuyooyoota ensusu tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka face ne kawawera ng'aka baby tusiba n'okukola enviiri mu buli musono songa mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwe kansa tusala enviiri mu buli musono ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiyo mulala tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okulira na Italian supermarket mu basement essimu tuli ku noti 72 682 953 teweerabira saluni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty. onoonya ekifo eky'omulembe w'oyinza okuwummulirako ate nga kisangibwa ku lubalama lw'ennyanja. Winslow Luxury Suites kino kye kifo ekikkakkamu eri gwe anoonya w'oyinza okubeerako okumala ennaku entonotono oba ekiseera ekigere ng'olinga ali ewuwo. Kino kye kifo kyokka. Tulina amayumba agalina accommodation ey'omulembe nga mulimu ebisenge ebiwerera ddala 2, sitting room, modern kitchen, dining, closet engazi obulungi, ssaako toilet n'ebinaabiro. Ebisenge byaffe birabika bulungi nnyo omuli ebitanda ebya queen ne king size. Ekiseera kyonna ky'omala ng'oli naffe tufuba okulaba nga tofuna kutaataganyizibwa kwonna, anti tulina standby generator, wifi ne DSTV ssaako ne laundry services. Tulina n'emmotoka ez'omulembe okwanguyizaako mu by'entambula era nga tusobola okupikinga okuva wonna w'oli ne ku kisaawe erimu abava ebweru wa Uganda. Winslow Luxury Suite tusangibwa mu Jomai Estate, Garuga, Entebbe. N'olwekyo gwe yandyagadde okumanya ebisingawo n'okubuukinga osobola tukubira ku noti 752 emu noti 8 nyemu oba osindika obubaka obwa WhatsApp ku +1 noti 83 2 noti 3 6 noti 2.
What tiles are these?
Modern tiles.
For quality and durable tiles that never fade with unique designs, get Modern Tiles. Modern Tiles.